Hey guys, it's Miriam. Check out this fun fire and rescue set. It's Maxx Action Fire and Rescue. The choice of lights and sounds to them. We have a helicopter, a fire truck, and a police SUV vehicle. Looks super awesome. We're also going to take a look at some Transformers. We have Heatwave here. He's a police boat. Medic Spot. And another version of Heatwave. This is a fire truck. Whoa, it's fast. It's one of those that you actually push and then you let go. And it goes by itself. It's really fun. It has a ladder. Of course, it's essential for rescuing. You need to reach high places with it. And I love the fact that it has lights and sounds. Here's the fire chief's SUV. It's also one of those push and release. And this one has multiple sounds actually. You can see the lights up here. They're a really good size. There's one more vehicle included in the collection. It's the helicopter. I don't see any buttons to press on this one for lights and sounds. Oh, look, they're right here. It's a fire and rescue helicopter. And we also have someone else today. We have our rescue bots crew, Heatwave, Medic Spot, and a police boat, Heatwave. Let's see how these compare to our vehicles here. They can be working together to rescue. This is a fire boat as well. And it does transform. It's the easy to do conversion process for it. You simply push it in and it becomes a fire rescue boat. Super awesome. And it's a good size. It's really almost the same size as this SUV. And it does transform back into robot mode, of course. Pull the arms, and there you go. Heatwave to the rescue. Next up, we have another Heatwave. This is actually a fire truck, so it's compatible with this guy. They can work together. Now let's see Heatwave transform. This is the one-step transformation process as well. And what you do, of course, you have to tuck in the legs, and then you work with the ladder. You push it back. He's a fire truck mode now. And look at this. Very similar. Let's see them race and face off, see how they do. Of course, this one is the push and release, so it's going to probably go faster. Stuck by the rocks. We have one more rescue vehicle today. It's also a transformer. It's Medicsbot. He's a great addition to this team. He's also easy to transform. You just push in his arms and he's now, look at this, in ambulance mode. So awesome. To transform him, you pull out his arms. Let's roll out, guys. That's it for us. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to click the subscribe button for more fun videos. And also click the like button if you enjoy this video. Bye everybody!